guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. Well, I'm so excited. As you know, I'm kicking off my Christmas DIY starting today. So what I want to do is make a little sign to go in my kitchen. I do my kitchen in the gingerbread theme, and I found this image on pngtree.com, and I'll link it in the description box. It's free. You just have to sign up, and then you can download 2 free images a day, and that's what I do. But it's really cute. It's all about a candy shop, so I'm really excited. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, you could still print this out on Avery sticker sheets and adhere it to a piece of board in a picture frame, whatever. But if you don't have a Cricut and you don't want to do that, I hate to see you go, but I would love it if you would stay and watch. But I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. I'm pretty sure it's going to be involving the Dollar Tree, definitely a Christmas DIY. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer. I'm going to go to New Project, the circle with the plus. That will put us on our canvas. I'm going to go to Upload, left to bottom corner. And here is this image. I'm going to click on it. It'll put this green box around it. Then I'm going to go to the right bottom corner, Insert Images, and that will put it on our canvas. This is so cute. Let me zoom in. Now I want to make mine. My wooden circle is 8 by 8, and I got it at Michael's, and they say that it's new. So this is coming in at 6.897 wide by 5.842 in height. So I want to change that. So I'm going up to size, and I'm going to unlock that little lock. And for the width, I'm going to backspace and get rid of that. And I want mine to be 6.75 for the width. And then for the height, I'm going to backspace it. I'm going to make it 7.0 for the height. I'm going to lock it back. And now that is what we have. This will look so cute in my gingerbread kitchen, okay? Now if you look over here into the layers column, it's a cut then print. So we're going to go to make it right top corner. It's going to put it on my mat. We're going to go continue right bottom corner. Okay, now we're going to send it to the printer, and I've loaded, and we're going to hit print. I've loaded my printable vinyl in here from Silhouette, and I need to set my Cricut to custom. So it's set to custom, and I'm going to click on printable vinyl. For my pressure, I'm going to add more. And the next time I see you, we will be cutting out this adorable Christmas sign for my gingerbread kitchen. Okay, here's my Silhouette printable vinyl right here. And you load it with the shiny side up. And here's our image that I printed out. I love it. It is so beautiful. Sorry about that glare on here. And but this is the shiny side. And you load, in my printer, you load that up. So it will print out on this side. But I love it, okay? So I have that. And then this is my wood. I hauled this on Friday, but I believe it was. But I got that at Michael's, and it wasn't much at all. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this out. Then I'm going to paint this, and we're going to put some ribbon around it. I think this will be so festive, so cute. And Maggie was after something. I'm not sure what. Okay, we're going to load this into our Cricut with the blinking arrow. And then I'm just going to cut it by hitting the blinking C. Okay. And it's reading the registration marks right now. And then you could do this 2 ways. You could cut it to where it would just be a flat sticker, but I wanted it to actually cut around each individual place. So I think this is going to turn out really cute. And then I'm going to take the Apple Barrel Gloss white paint and paint this little disc with that. And I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree ribbon that I think I got last year, and it looks so frosty and cold. I love it. And I'm going to put that around the edge. So we should have a really cute little DIY by the time this is done. Okay, so now it's going to start cutting around this. And it's so simple, it won't take any time to do. And then we'll have this adorable little sticker made. And if you would see this out, this stuff is pricey. Anything gingerbread, Christmassy, like that, oh my gosh, it's so pricey. I haven't been to At Home yet. I'm hoping to go soon. It's in Mobile, so I have to get there because one of you told me about their gingerbread collection that they have out, and I want to get some of those things that I saw. Okay, it is finished. So we're going to eject it by hitting the blinking arrow. Now I'm not going to take this off just yet because if I do, then I won't have anything to stick it on just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this little circle white, and then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm just going to take this plain little piece of wood. It's really wide, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it with this white Apple Barrel gloss paint. And I've had some requests. I'm just using this brush right here. I've had some requests to do a clean my craft room with me, and I'm going to, but probably maybe after I get everything decorated, that's when that'll come in. Because right now I'm really wanting to get this done, although my craft room needs cleaned really bad. It's so bad. Oh my gosh. But I'm all into the holidays. Okay, as soon as I get this finished, I'll be right back. Okay, I've just started gluing this really pretty glitter ribbon from the Dollar Tree right down through here. So beautiful. It's really giving it a very frosty, cold gingerbread feel, I think. You could do so much with this. Okay, we're almost done with this. Okay, then when I get down here to the end, I'm just going to cut it. Try to get it a little straighter than that. And then just glue this down right here. Okay. And that's what we're getting so far. I love that. That just looks so cold and frosty. Okay. Okay, so now what I want to do is go ahead and kind of peel this off. And then find out where I want my top. And you could even put glitter on here, and I think it would be really pretty. And then we're just going to start peeling this gently back. And you can see the sticker that it has made. I love this. You can do so much with your Cricut. You don't have to use like just vinyl all the time, although this is printable vinyl. You can do so much with your Cricut. got a lot of suction here. Okay. Okay. So this is what we have so far. That is adorable. So now I'm just going to figure out where I want this. And then just smooth this on. This is so adorable. Okay, let's take a look at it. Well, here it is. I love how it turned out. Now, I love glitter. If you don't love glitter, then you won't want to do this. But I glittered over everything. The vinyl, the paint. I just put some real frosty glitter on there. And I love it. I think it is so festive and fun for my gingerbread kitchen. And I love the side, how cold. It just looks so frosty. And then it continues right here on the front. I love it. It's still a little wet. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Christmas DIY. I'm loving this. I'm having so much fun. I cannot stand it. So until next time, bye guys.